Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying your summer camp through e-learning mode. Today I am going to take an enrichment activity which is based on air purifying plants. You must be thinking what are air purifying plants और रेखा मैम ये हमें क्यों बता रही है? So beta, as we all know that we are fighting against COVID-19 and during this time our immunity should be strong, and these air purifying plants increase humidity which can boost your immunity, and these air purifying plants improve air quality, removes pollutant, and also they produce oxygen, and every living things required oxygen to live, and you know without oxygen we can't live, and we have to breathe in fresh air and clean air to stay healthy. So you should grow more and more air purifying plants, and you can keep them indoor also. Come, I'll show you some air purifying plants. So first, see, this is money plant. This is money plant, and this is very decorative plant also. You can keep it inside your home, and you can place it in bottle or any jug, and it will enhance your decoration of home. So kids, this is aloe vera plant. This plant is aloe vera plant, and you know it is very easy to grow. You can grow it very easily. इसको थोड़ा सा लगाते हैं, ये बहुत जल्दी फैल जाता है और बड़ा भी हो जाता है. And this is called lady palm. See, so green, so dense. Okay. Now kids, this is another variety of palm. This is called Rapees plant. Rapees palm. Okay kids, and this plant also purifies the air and gives you fresh air to breathe. Kids, this is another air purifying plant. This is Syngonium plant. See, sleeve. And this is also a very decorative plant which you can keep it at home to decorate your house. Okay, and kids, now you can see the pot, this earthen pot. Okay, you should use earthen pots more and more so that जो potters होते हैं उनको income मिले, and these pots are eco-friendly also. So kids, this is spider plant, and it is one of the best air purifying plant, and it is very easy to grow. See, this is very decorative and gives you fresh air. So kids, this is snake plant. It is also known as mother-in-law tongue plant, and this is also one of the best air purifying plant which can be kept indoor. And see, ma'am ने किसमें लगाया ये? In an earthen pot. So you should use more and more earthen pot. जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, that vocal for local, स्वदेशी अपनाओ, means कि जो हमारे कंट्री इंडिया में जो प्रोडक्ट्स बने होते हैं we should use them, and by this potters can get income also. So be Indian, buy Indian. Okay, I ask you to use more and more earthen pots, but you can make a pot yourself also from the waste material. आपके हाउसेस में ये प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स होती है ना, ये रिसाइकल भी हो जाएंगी और आपका पॉट भी बन जाएगा. You can decorate it like this and you can paint it also. Okay. So kids, you can grow your air purifying plants like this also and keep it at home. देखो जैसे रेखा मैम ने ये बॉटल में ग्रो किया है, मनी प्लांट लगाया है, क्योंकि मैम के पास ये बॉटल थी तो इसमें ग्रो कराया। इससे आपका बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट भी हो जाएगा एंड रिसाइकिल भी हो जाएगा एंड यू विल कीप इट around you and it will give you fresh and clean air. So kids, I've shown you so many air purifying plants and told you their benefits. There are some more air purifying plants like areca palm, peace lily which you can grow. But I would like to request your parents to grow more and more air purifying plants around you so that you can breathe in fresh and clean air. Because nowadays everybody needs strong immunity and these plants helps to boost our immunity. Okay, so grow more and more air purifying plants to be happy and stay healthy. Till then, keep washing your hands, stay home, stay safe. Bye kids.